At an airport, a heavily intoxicated woman insists police can't arrest her because she lives in Germany and claims she's foreign. But within minutes, it escalates into handcuffs, a wheelchair, and even talk of additional charges. This video isn't here to glorify conflict or harass anyone. We're breaking down what happened step by step so you can understand how a public disturbance turns into a serious legal problem.
Very careful here.
What's going on?
She keeps coming in and bothering this guy. He said he doesn't know her. So he's asked her to leave. He doesn't even want to talk. Okay? So
You want to go sit down for me?
She
didn't have anything in the
no,
car.
we have. She hasn't. He said he doesn't know.
do
She
what?
keep going to this guy, and he said I don't even know.
You know, this is the only bag she brought in.
That's the only bag she just gave
Okay.
me, and everybody's watching.
Appreciate it.
You okay? Yeah. Okay.
Are you traveling alone?
We all speak Arabic.
Are you with somebody?
With them.
Who's them?
Them. Over there.
Where are you flying to?
Those people? Them? I don't think they're with you.
No.
Yeah, she
this
looked away
guy.
real fast.
Oh, I had a lot of wine.
You had a lot of wine?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can tell.
Yeah, I think you did.
Yeah.
So are you traveling alone? Listen to what I'm saying. Focus. Are you traveling alone? Yes or
I'm
no?
focusing and they're lying. Okay?
Are you traveling alone? Yes or no?
I am.
Okay. All right. Where's your ID?
Over here.
Can I see it? Can I get it out for you?
Yeah. So what you want from me?
Your driver's license or your ID or whatever
My
kind of
ID.
identification you have and your boarding pass.
So what?
Why
So
are you
what
so
you gonna
angry?
do to me?
I'm not trying to do
angry.
anything.
I was just trying to make sure you're okay, okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. I think you might have had a little too much to drink. How much
No, I
wine?
didn't.
How much wine have you had?
It's my problem.
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Officer Hill. How much wine have you had? It's okay.
Doesn't matter?
How much wine have you drank tonight? Ma'am, focus on me, okay? How much wine have you had to drink tonight?
2 glasses.
2 glasses, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, how long ago was that?
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago?
Get that
Let's
phone.
walk over here, okay? At least you can stand.
No?
Get the phone.
You gotta give me my passport back.
Hey,
Ma'am.
just relax.
What's the name?
Relax.
You gotta
Nikki.
give me my passport.
Ma'am,
I'm not
relax.
taking it. I'm not taking it.
Yeah.
Just
Ma'am,
relax.
hey,
No,
hey,
don't touch
you need
me.
to relax.
Don't
Don't
touch
touch
me.
him, okay?
I'm
Don't try to
not
grab
touching
anything out of
him.
his
All
hand.
right.
I'm not.
We're done.
Okay.
Take your bag off.
Relax.
We're done.
Relax.
You're under arrest.
We're going to place you under arrest for public intoxication, okay?
Put your hands behind your back. Don't resist.
Relax. Hey, relax.
Don't
Ma'am.
resist.
Hey, it's not worth it, okay? This is a ticket. We're going to give you somewhere to sleep it off, and that's it, okay? But you need to relax.
Stop pulling away. Let go.
Of course, I don't wanna be.
It's okay. Just relax, okay? Okay.
I can't double lock it. Stop. Pull that hand. She's trying to claw me.
Relax. Dude, hey, you scratch him, that's a whole nother charge. And you don't get out tonight. Don't scratch
You're
him.
trying to scratch me. I know what you're doing.
It
You
sounds
scratched
like you were.
yourself too. Of course
Relax.
you're trying to scratch people.
You ever get a speeding ticket before? That's it. That's all this is. Okay. We're gonna give you somewhere to sleep. But if you fight us,
Take
if you
this.
scratch somebody, I got it. You don't get out tonight. Really?
Stage transport.
You want to get out
Yes,
tonight?
please.
You want to get where are you flying to?
Upper level.
Where are you flying to? Are you trying to go home? I don't know.
Let's go.
Come on.
Walk.
Come on. Walk.
No.
Relax. Relax. It's right here. It's right behind you. Relax, man. Come on.
No.
Why are you fighting us?
Where's my stuff?
It's right here. Look. Your stuff's right there.
Don't
Look.
touch me. Don't hurt me.
Let's go. Walk.
Tell your brother, don't
right.
hurt me.
There's.
You're hurting me.
Take that.
This guy is hurting me.
You need to relax.
Okay,
Can we get
he's hurting
additional?
me.
She's
He's not hurting you.
He
You
is.
are fighting
You're
us.
not. He's hurting me.
You need to relax.
No.
You need to relax.
No.
Yes.
No.
Relax.
Just hold on. Let's get them in here.
Do not try to headbutt anyone again. You
Don't
understand?
let me hurt me again. He doesn't need to hurt me. He was hurting my hands. You didn't. You didn't. He did. So what's the thing?
She kicked me and she headbutted me.
Yeah. So what?
So what? Now you have assault on a peace officer.
Yeah. So you don't hurt me.
She kicked me in the leg and then
You don't hurt me.
headbutted me, but all she did was headbutt my stuff.
Stop touching me. Look at him.
You gonna relax yet or not? It's gonna be a long night in jail if you don't settle down.
Make me jump. Put me down.
Kicked me, headbutted me.
Yeah. Fuck me. You wanna fuck
She
me
didn't want to
too?
walk, so she's ready when y'all are.
We might have to get labor.
If you can find one, yeah.
You don't have to have one in your car.
Right here.
Where are you?
Hey, come here. No, we're gonna borrow your wheelchair, bud. All right, we're gonna stand you up.
Don't touch me.
We're gonna touch you. You're gonna stand up.
No.
You're gonna sit in this wheelchair.
Don't touch me.
Sit down. Sit down.
No.
Yep. Yep.
This. No.
Yep.
Pick your feet up.
No.
Relax, ma'am.
Where are you guys?
Here.
No, I want more officers. You guys are not
Tip it
good.
back.
Where are the other guys?
Right after kid. It's kind of
No. Are you
Hold
you
it
guys
that
are
way or
here?
not?
as long as you push that.
Okay, we're just take you outside.
Those guys are not good.
Okay, well, we're here, okay? Everything's gonna be alright. Put your leg back on, but
your leg
take you
back
outside. Let's take you outside. Just relax, you know?
No, they need to leave my hands off. They don't hurt me. They need to let my hands off.
Put your leg back up.
No.
Put your
Sit
leg
back.
back up.
Put your legs up. Put your legs up.
No.
Yes.
This. No. I need to be free.
No, you're not gonna
No. No.
Listen to me. Listen.
No.
We're going.
put your
Hey,
foot
we're
up.
not going very far.
be. Put your foot
No.
up.
Relax. They will take those handcuffs
No.
off.
I want them off now. I didn't do anything.
Backwards.
I didn't do anything. I want them off.
Yeah.
Right now.
Or can you, here.
I want them off. I want them off. No. I want them off. Oh, what are you? You're mad. I want them off. Oh, you're so mad.
How's that passport?
I got it. I got it.
Picked it up. Got it.
Come on. Let's sit down. Okay?
So watch it. Yeah.
Let's sit down. Okay.
Let's try.
No. I'm arrested to Let me out! You hit me! You're hurting me!
You just tried to grab my penis.
Fuck you, man! I don't want your penis! Fuck you and your penis!
Watch your leg. Watch it.
Let me out! Open up!
Sit down. Stop.
Open up! You're hurting me! I didn't do anything to anybody! Oh my god! Fuck you! I didn't do anything! Ah! Ah! No!
You're not kick me!
No!
You scared all the children.
No! Where's my stuff? Where's my stuff?
Time you real good.
All right, now let's break this down neutrally. What started as a small disturbance at an airport ended in cuffs, a wheelchair, and talk of additional charges. But here's the real question. Why did it escalate so fast? And which mistake turned public intoxication into a much longer night? Stay to the end. I'll give you a 20-second checklist that can keep you out of a situation like this at an airport. Let's map it into 3 turning points. Turning point 1. Initial contact. Police approach because she's reportedly bothering a stranger, and the man says he doesn't know her. At an airport, even minor disorder gets handled quickly because it affects public safety and operations. Turning point 2. From checking to arrest. Officers ask basic questions. Traveling alone, destination, ID, boarding pass. She appears clearly impaired, can't focus, answers inconsistently, escalates emotionally. The pivot happens when she doesn't stop after being told to calm down and not grab or interfere. That's when you hear, "You're under arrest for public intoxication." Turning point 3. Resistance changes everything. After the arrest, the focus shifts from drinking to behavior in custody, pulling away, scratching, kicking, headbutting, as officers report. Once there's resistance or assault risk, procedures tighten fast. More officers, stronger restraints, wheelchair transport, and stricter handling at the holding facility. She repeats a common belief, "I'm foreign, so you can't do this to me." In situations like this, nationality isn't immunity. The simple rule is, the law and authority of where you are applies, and airports are especially strict. You may have rights, like requesting an interpreter, asking what you're being detained for, or contacting consular support depending on circumstances. But those rights don't mean you can't be detained or arrested for disorderly conduct or intoxication. From a neutral standpoint, for police, there are 2 priorities. 1. Safety, hers, bystanders, officers. 2. Risk control, prevent falls, fights, or chaos in a crowded terminal. With intoxication, the dangerous part is that someone can still talk and walk while believing they're fully in control. For her, you see a classic emotional loop. Denial. "I didn't do anything." Blame. "You're hurting me." Panic. "Help me, open the door." Shifting claims. Germany, then US citizen, then back again. The more panic rises, the more resistance happens, and the more procedures tighten. Now the lessons. No judgment, just cause and effect. Lesson 1. At airports, small disturbances become big problems fast. It's high security, high traffic, and staff can't take chances. Lesson 2. The worst moment isn't the arrest, it's the grabbing, resisting. A single grab can be treated as interference or resistance. That's the switch that often triggers escalation. Lesson 3. If you feel yourself spiraling, use these 3 lines first. "I will cooperate. Can you explain what I'm being detained for?" "I don't feel well. I need medical help." These keep you calm, protect your rights, and reduce escalation risk. Lesson 4. Being foreign doesn't erase the rules, but you can ask for the right support. Interpreter, supervisor, and later, once calm, consular contact if appropriate. Don't use nationality as a weapon in the moment. It usually backfires. Lesson 5. If you drink before a flight, set a hard limit, especially if you're alone. Missing a flight is one thing. Being detained, charged, and documented is another. Back to the promise. What was the biggest mistake? It wasn't drinking. The biggest mistake was continuing to escalate after being told to stop. Grabbing, resisting, fighting the cuffs. That turns sleep it off into possible additional charges. And once officers report kicking, scratching, or headbutting, the chance of a quick resolution drops sharply. To be fair, people do have rights, questions, explanations, medical help if needed. But in a tense public setting like an airport, How you use your rights changes everything. One calm sentence can help. I will cooperate, but please explain the reason and the process. An aggressive stance like, I'm foreign, you can't do this, usually pushes things in the wrong direction. If this breakdown helped you follow the timeline and understand the escalation, hit like and subscribe, because this series is full of cases where a few minutes change everything. And I want your take. Which moment made it worse? A. When police asked for ID. B. When the arrest was announced. C. When resistance started. Comment A, B, C, and Y. I'll pin the best breakdown. Also, I'm putting that 5-line de-escalation checklist in the description. Remember it for 1 minute, and you can avoid a night like this.